Our specialty at High PCB is Taconic PCB Fabrication, which is the production of advanced printed circuit boards for 5G, microwave, and radio frequency applications using high-performance dielectric materials. Taconic PCBs are widely recognized for their exceptional signal integrity, stability at high frequencies, and low dielectric loss, which makes them an ideal option for applications such as satellite communications, radar, automotive electronics, and telecommunications. High PCB distinguishes itself by offering these premium Taconic PCBs at a lower cost than many of our rivals, while maintaining exceptionally high quality. Our factory offers comprehensive solutions that are customized to your project's requirements, from PCB design and prototyping to full fabrication and assembly. Whether you're creating advanced automotive sensors, military radar, or 5G systems, High PCB makes sure your Taconic boards satisfy the highest performance requirements while controlling costs. We offer free professional counseling to assist you in selecting the best option for your particular project, further simplifying the process for our clients. Flexible customization, quick turnaround, stringent quality control, and a knowledgeable support staff available to help you at every step of the process are some of our advantages. In addition to providing PCB, High PCB builds trustworthy relationships that guarantee your success through state-of-the-art technology, economical pricing, and unparalleled service.